Hey, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a DIY Christmas decor, kind of like last week, but Dollar Tree edition. I went to Dollar Tree last week, got a bunch of supplies, so I have 3 super cute, easy, and fun DIYs planned, so make sure to stick around for that, and make sure to hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, because I love reading all of your comments. So without further ado, let's get decorating. So let's take a good 6 seconds to admire this sparkly red paint that I found at the Dollar Tree. I was so excited when I found it. I'm going to mix that with some white acrylic paint to kind of create this paste that I'm going to use to paint onto 2 lids of 2 mason jars that I have, because they're kind of a gold color and I wasn't particularly fond of that gold color, so I just wanted to give it a little change. And once I had those painted, I took the jar, filled it up with some fake snow and these glittery balls I found, and a red flower, screwed on the lids, and here we have it. To make mini wire Christmas trees, you will need a piece of cardboard, and then you'll have to roll it into kind of this cone shape, and I secured it with some blue tape. Then take the wire and wrap it all the way around and remove the piece of cardboard. You can adjust it a little more after you take it off the cardboard. And on the top, I stuck on this sparkly globe that I used before, or not globe, ball, and I also hot glued on these red beads. So it's like a little Christmas tree, but like in an interesting fashion. So today's shout out goes to Andrea Rain, or is it Andrea? Please let me know. She has the best editing ever, super unique videos, does a bunch of cool vlogs and lifestyle and fashion, I think. So definitely go check her out. I will be leaving the link to her channel in the description box below. I think she's almost at 1,000, so let's all help her get there. Go check her out. For the final DIY, and this one definitely has the most parts, I took a piece of cardboard and then I started to trace out the outline of what will be a 3D house. No, I did not measure this, but if you would like to, there are plenty of measurements online. So once I had it traced out, I cut that piece of cardboard out and also got my hot glue gun ready, because it takes a few minutes for that thing to boot up, and also take a piece of red fabric to cut that out also. And then I just hot glued the 2 pieces of cardboard and fabric together. Then folded it up and hot glued that again to create the outline of a house. Not the outline, the structure of a house. I also took an additional strip of cardboard and attached it to some white fabric and stuck it on so that works as the roof of the house. Then I took a red plate, took some glue and a brush to spread it out, then put more fake snow on it and strap the house on. I also had a car that I painted with the same kind of white acrylic paint, sparkly mixture that I had in the beginning, made some snowmans out of those balls I had, and also took a bunch of green pom-poms and put it on the outside to kind of create a bush look. Then I put glue on the outside and put enormous amounts of glitter on, and this was probably my favorite part of the entire thing because I love glitter, so I put a good amount of it on there. Is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to pop a comment down below, and happy holidays. There's gonna be tons of holiday stuff coming up on this channel, so make sure to stick around for that, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye!